Ryan from Goodsprings. Out here riding some single track. Our goal today is to go ride Candyland. See if we can find it. Let's see where this goes. Definitely a hill climb. Get that rock out of my way. Yeah, how's that for a hill start? Awesome. Hell yeah. Very nice goat trail. We're supposed to be going the other way. Alright, so we're turning around because this goes up to the ridge where we ended our ride last time. So I don't believe this is Candyland. You guys that are watching this video that know, you're like, you're an idiot. It's totally not Candyland. That's just a trail. Yeah, so we're just gonna go back down this, connect back to the trail that we turned off of, which means go down that steep ass hill that we just came up, and head over to the other pin that we have. We can go around the range and then try to see if we can find it coming back. I don't know. It's gotta be that range. I don't know about this. This is not really much of a trail anymore. It's not Candy or Candyland. Alright, let's get off of this. Oh wow. Up here, Mike. That's a big trench. Yeah, here we go. Now we're climbing and up into the mountain range. I think it's right down here. Let's check it out. Hell yeah. It's like secret single track. I see bicycle tracks. Oh, the e-bikes. Couldn't imagine anybody pedaling through this. How you doing?
I'll keep going around till I get to Wilson's tank.
Yeah, I think so. Let me take a look at the map.
I ain't never doing this again.
I was just saying back there.
Motor, man.
I was just saying back there. I'm like, I see bicycle tracks. Yeah, I was like, ain't nobody riding this on a bike. It had to be an e-bike. Yeah. It's not, is it? Nope. That's crazy. It's gonna be a long.
All right.
I would take the double track.
All right, guys.
All right, man. You have a good one.
Thanks for all your help.
Yeah, no problem. This might be the trail that leads up there. Mike's up there hauling ass. I'm just taking it easy back here. I was eating hella dust. What is he doing? Oh, I think I know where we're at. Oh, he's throwing rocks. I'm gonna wait. Losing my balance. Damn it. This stuff's tricky. It's like solid rock, but there's loose rock on top of it. And it was off camber. Jesus. I'm all over the place. I'm still moving. Yeah, that's a view. Yeah, there's another peak. Fuck, shit. Yeah, we fucking found it. We found Candyland.
I'm starting to have my doubts.
Me too. It'll be interesting to see where the hell this goes. And a little side hill action. Oh yeah. That's good and steep. That's it. What do you do about it now? Uh-oh. That is a sheer cliff right there. Yeah, don't go off of that. That was freaking awesome. camber and slippery. You see it in the wash? Oh, let's do it. Whatever it is, we gotta do it. Ain't so bad. It's just loose. Just gotta go slow. I use a whole lot of front brake. I should pass them. The hell out of this. You fucking fucked it up. He's just digging holes. There you go. That looks so tiring. I remember that rock. Ow! Really good. Back to the whoops. Shitty way to finish a ride and start a ride. I'm getting tired. So thanks for watching today. I'll have more ride videos and other adventures videos to come. So be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next video.